YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend. This is the Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So today we have another quick fix video for you on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Legend 2 pressure side pool cleaner. So as you guys can tell, this is a pretty stripped down form of that cleaner. If you guys want to know how we got to this point, make sure you guys check out the links in the description to the playlist of videos that show you guys how we tore this thing apart from the outside in. For today's video, we want to actually show you guys how to remove the actual turbine, which is your main driving force of this cleaner. Over time, these teeth on this turbine tend to get worn, not only from the water pressure, but the water chemistry and usage. So it is important that you swap out this turbine, I'd say about every other season to every 3 seasons, to make sure that the cleaner is going to function properly for you. So again, if you guys want to know how to get down to this point, make sure you guys check out that playlist with all the videos that will actually take you to get to this point. For today's video, we're just gonna skip through a lot of that, and we're going to remove the one piece of equipment here that's actually holding the turbine on, which is the turbine shaft shield. So it's only got 2 Phillips head screws. You're just gonna go ahead and remove both of these, which actually are just self-tapped into the frame. So you're just gonna take those off, slide your shaft shield off, and then your entire turbine assembly as well as the entire axle piece comes off. This is one solid piece. This turbine does not come off of this main steel axle. Over time with these, you'll see that these rust, or with usage, these ridges tend to round off and don't grab your wheel as well. So it is important that you change these out every couple of seasons to make sure that everything stays in good condition for your cleaner and that your pool stays clean for your entire season. So once you pull it out, you'll actually notice that on the main shaft here, they have these clear tubes. There's one big one for the longer side, and then there's also a smaller one for the smaller side. So these are actually meant to help reduce the friction of the metal to your plastic frame. So it is important that you have these shaft shields on, or these the axle shields on, to make sure that the friction inside the frame doesn't constantly rub, because you're going to cause more issues with your frame, which can become a much more expensive fix, whether you can get it warranted, whether you're going to be able to find a new one anywhere else, or whether or not you're going to have to buy an entire new cleaner. So when you do take this turbine off, if for whatever reason these are broken or frail due to water chemistry, usage, whatever it may be, you do want to purchase these as well to make sure that you have this protected the right way so that it works correctly for your cleaner. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have both of these products available for sale directly on our website to make sure that this cleaner stays in tip-top shape for you. So once you actually get your new one, you're going to just go ahead and slide those shaft shields on, and then it's a matter of just sliding right back into the frame of the cleaner. You just kind of want to set it there and kind of rest it until you start to put on all the other pieces around it, as it'll kind of self-adjust and go to the right level as well once you get all the rest of the equipment on there. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description for all those videos. It'll show you guys all those other working parts for this main turbine for you. So again, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe, and make sure you guys stay up to date on all the new videos we got coming your way. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.